What does quality mean to you? Trivselhus UK was established in response to the growing demand from people in the UK for Scandinavian style, quality and energy efficiency in their homes and commercial buildings. Our commitment to quality without compromise can bring people the homes that they never dreamed they could afford and that embody the ethics and values of sustainability, efficiency and respect for the environment. Trivselhus brings the security and freedom of beautiful, energy-efficient homes that are built to last using sustainably harvested wood from the Swedish forests. Trivselhus is firmly established as one of Sweden's leading builders. We have honed our building know-how over more than 20 years to meet the demand of the Swedish market for exacting standards of functionality, supreme thermal efficiency, and cutting-edge style. Our expertise is now unrivaled in the manufacture of buildings that provide an effective shield against extreme climatic conditions and which are economical to run. Energy efficiency laws and planners are making increasing demands on architects, builders and developers in the UK to reduce energy and material wastage in new buildings. Because Trivselhus designs and builds to comply with Sweden's much stricter energy regulations, you can expect an A energy rating compared to the more usual E in the UK housing market. And you can be certain that each building will meet and exceed the demands of UK regulations, both now and in the future. Trivselhus aims to deliver security, simplicity and a stress-free, high-quality build. We will make sure that your order is completed to your specification so you can spend your valuable time on other things. A 10-year completion and construction warranty under the Checkmate New Home Warranty Scheme brings peace of mind from day one. Rest assured that you have chosen a reliable construction partner with an unrivaled pedigree and reputation in Sweden. Because Trivselhus is part of the Södra Forest Industry Group. Södra is the largest forestry cooperative in Scandinavia and has a public commitment to green values, sustainably harvested timber and superior safety standards. A Trivselhus home is the result of a closed-panel construction system using high-quality materials and methods that have grown out of the proud tradition of Swedish craftsmanship. Beautifully designed family homes that make the best use of space and light are built on site from carefully coded section manufactured in our factories in Sweden, a bit like completing a beautiful and complex puzzle. First, the house is designed using our computer program Revit to produce precise 3D views. This gives us a good understanding of how the new home will look when it is complete. And this makes it easier for us to identify the need for any special design solutions at an early stage. Detailed design and assembly drawings are then created using computer-aided design computer software. When you buy from Trivselhus, it brings you absolute certainty about the final cost and timescale because the production process is managed with obsessive attention to detail. The building sections and rafters are manufactured indoors in our clean, heated factories, completely free from the effects of the elements, so production can continue whatever the weather. It is a thoroughly modern environment and construction process, but one that makes the best use of highly skilled craftsmen. Our fabric-first approach embeds energy-saving elements into the fabric of the building from the outset. Generous insulation in the walls and triple-glazed aluminium-clad windows and doors with a low thermal insulation value are fitted at the earlier stage. Outer walls also have a smart installation zone to make it easy to install pipes and cables at the construction stage. The windows are put in place before anything leaves the factory. And special care and attention is paid to the sealing process since a well-sealed home has the lowest level of energy consumption. The rafters are cut and pressed together with precision, with the help of advanced factory machinery. The building walls provide for a generous and airy internal room height of 2.55 meters. Both the outer walls and the insulated inner walls have an extra layer of chipboard that soundproofs the house and allows you to put up paintings and other wall decorations without the need for wall plugs. Once the different parts are complete, they are loaded onto a truck for delivery to the construction site. If there is a risk of rain or snow, we load everything under a roof. Each section is enveloped in plastic from the factory to protect it against the elements during assembly. By the time a Trivselhus building arrives at the construction site, preparations for its assembly have already been taking place for a number of weeks. The land has been leveled, and a concrete base for the new building to stand on has been cast in place. Before delivery, our experienced carpenters make the final preparations by studying the drawings and formulating a plan for the assembly process. The construction site will look unconventional. It will be characterized by a high degree of orderliness throughout the entire process. We see an orderly and safe work environment as a priority at Trivselhus. Once it has started, the assembly process proceeds quickly, and the Trivselhus construction system is renowned for its outstanding accuracy. A crane safely lifts the various sections into place. When the various sections are in place, the rafters are lifted in and the laying of the roof can begin. In many cases, a Trivselhus will already have a roof in place by the end of the first day of assembly. By the end of the first week, it will be completely watertight. Then in the following weeks, the highly skilled assembly team will continue to work on details like the cornice, lining and panel boards. When the outside is finished, the work inside the house can begin in earnest, and various contractors will then work on aspects ranging from heating and ventilation, electricity and drainage to kitchen installation and painting. Our houses make the most of the beauty and sustainability of Swedish wood in their design, with horizontal wood paneling and no need for any dividing boards and panels. Wooden flooring is used in dry areas to match the solid windowsills and indoor stairwell. If you need your building to fit in with more traditional British surroundings, we can easily offer alternative exterior finishes, such as brick or stone. By choosing a Trivselhus home, you get a house that is energy smart while also providing a superior level of comfort and style, and a level of quality that is out of the ordinary, yet all part of the standard product. Thanks to a climate shield that is designed to keep the harshest of Sweden's cold winter weather out and all the warm air in, the unrivaled thermal efficiency of a Trivselhus home means that the homeowner will enjoy lower energy costs. Before the keys are handed over, we conduct demanding tests to make sure that the building is sufficiently airtight and well sealed to live up to our promise of low energy consumption for years to come. We guarantee best-in-class energy-efficient buildings every time. The heating and ventilation system is designed to get the most out of every penny that you spend heating your home, by cleverly recycling warm air from areas such as the bathroom and kitchen to reduce the demands on the central heating and keep your bills down. Now you know a little bit more about what quality means to us. We look forward to hearing from you and finding out together what quality means to you.